Once upon a time, in a world full of colors, Rainbow was sleeping peacefully. But little did he know his colors were getting restless, feeling trapped, and wanting to explore the world beyond their arc. One day, Rainbow wakes up to find its three colors missing. Each color goes off to find a new adventure. One red color, and here I am off to be a fire truck, saving the day with my bold red hue. Where is my yellow color now? I'm here. I will shine as the sun, bright and bold. Loving hearts young and old. Bye-bye. Where is my blue color now? Blue, where are you? Here, I am here. I will be the ocean vast and deep, where creatures love to live. Bye-bye. Red, my vibrant spark. Without your warmth, I'm incomplete. Please, return to my art. Yellow, my sunny smile. Without your brightness, I'm just a dull mist. Please return to me. We both will shine the brightest. Blue, my calming hue. Without your serenity, I'm lost. Please return to me and shine anew. Separately, we are just colors, but together, we are a rainbow. With these colors that red must spread joy and wetness across the land, reminding that